I sing these songs with my own 3 children. Some were passed down through generations in Chinese families, game I played as a child with my own parent. Others were written new for the moment that matter most today. We made these JoJo Chinese songs for baby and me connection because we want to bring bilingual learning to every child from day one. Not someday in the future, but right now in the everyday family moment you already share. From birth to about age 7, your child's brain is especially open to language, absorbing sounds and patterns with remarkable ease. These songs were made for the heart of that window from the very first day through your child's preschool years. You do not need to speak Mandarin if you listen. You sing along or simply press play together. You are already opening the door. Songs carry Mandarin beautifully. The melody and rhythm naturally hold the tones so you can relax and simply sing and let music build a connection between you and your baby. If reading to a baby, put the book close to their eyes, hold it steady. If reading with an older child, let them set the pace. Either way, slow down, slow down. Your little one may need a long time on a single page. Whenever you can, try to face your baby or toddler as you read and sing together. Let them see your face, your expression, your joy, and your energy. To your baby, your face is the whole world. The JoJo book's illustrations, music, and design carry deep science and artistry in every detail. 6 books, 300 everyday words, 36 songs woven into activities for you to do with your child on every page. Each book has its own world, closeness and comfort, movement, discovering the world, imagination, big feelings, and finding their own way. Together, they grow with your child from the very first days to the bright and curious years ahead. The illustrations were created by Lukas Zhang, an animation director and artist whose work you would find as heartwarming in a gallery as in your child's hand. Book 1 and book 2 are rich layers of high contrast colors and shades. Books 3, 4, 5, 6 blend real-life photos with expressive art. The images attract a young child's eyes, yet the deep emotion and storytelling hold the heart of an older child and their grown-ups. The songs were produced by Felton Pilate, a Grammy-nominated musician whose music has moved millions of people around the world. If you have ever danced to MC Hammer, you have felt Felton's work. Each song in the book is layered with multiple instruments and composed in its own style. Classical, pop, jazz, orchestra, it is rich, sophisticated music for little ears to keep discovering. Press the music button for your baby at first. Your baby will soon learn to reach for it themselves, to turn the page, to press it again and again. They love that repetition, and every time they listen, they may catch something new. At the end of each book, there is a "You See It, I See It" page. It revisits every song title and image from the book, Say the song title. Let your child say them back. Point and identify. Children love quizzes and enjoy revisiting what they know. Many of the children featured on the book page are real children from the Quadrilingual Academy in Atlanta and Boxiangling Preschool in Sichuan, China. Each one is speaking Chinese and grown up in more than one language. We are deeply proud to hold their story in the books. The voices you hear in these recordings belong to real families, mother, father, brother, and sister singing together. Hearing multiple voices help babies build a stronger language foundation than hearing from only one. My own daughter, my son, and I sang most of the songs. Real laughter, real siblings, and real family moments. To touch your baby's heart, we knew we needed real voices, real art, real music, thoughtful and true. Language grows in love, and it begins with a song. I am so glad you are here. We share more on this channel, the science, the songs, and the small everyday moments of a bilingual beginning. Subscribe and come along.